In this video, we will modify and smooth complex WEMs. In addition to that, we calculate a distance between two WEM objects and show the distance in the image overlay. Add a WEM load module to your workspace and load the file venus.off. Connect ASO WEM renderer and ASO examiner viewer to the WEM load and open the viewer. You can see a 3D model of a Venus statue. Change diffuse color of the WEM to something like yellow. Add another SO WEM renderer and connect it to the same WEM load and SO examiner viewer. Change the diffuse color to green. Now the second Venus overlaps the first and you only see a green object. We have to change the location of the second Venus. Add a WEM modify module between the WEM load and the second SO WEM renderer.
Set a scaling vector of 1.5 for x, y and z.
The green Venus gets larger. Apply a translation of 10 in x direction. The green Venus is moved in x direction. Sometimes it is necessary to smooth 3D objects. Add a WEM smooth module and connect it as seen in the video. Changing the number of smoothing passes removes sharp borders of the 3D Venus. We now want to know the distance between the WEMs. Add a WEM surface distance module and connect it to both WEMs. The minimum and maximum distance between our statues is calculated automatically. If you want to show the distance in the image overlay of the viewer, we need a SO view 2D and a constant image. The constant image pretends to have a 2D image which we can annotate now. Set the SO view 2D blend mode to minimum to hide the white image. For user-defined annotations, we also need a SO view 2D annotation module. Change the annotation mode to user and disable the vertical ruler. In the Input tab, draw parameter connections from the min and max distance fields to the inputs of the overlay. Change to the User tab, remove all existing entries and add the input parameters to the overlay. You should also set Show Orientation to off in SO View 2D Annotation module, because we do not have a real image providing correct orientation information. If we now change the translation of the green Venus, the distance values are updated automatically. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.